We have a new product specifically designed with the racer and pulling enthusiast in mind. This is our competition series system. Now it is available in flow rates at 330 gallons per hour, 360 gallons per hour, and the big boy here, 540 gallons per hour. Now, the reason we designed this system is the extreme flow rates that some of these pulling trucks and drag trucks require. If you're running dual, triple CP3s, they can require extremely high flow rates. So many people right now will just install 2 of our signature series systems, and there's absolutely no issue with that whatsoever. But with this system, you're going to have 1 set of filters and 1 filter base, and you're only going to have to run 1 line set, so you're going to keep weight down, and it's going to keep simplicity up. This will come with our universal mounting bracket, and this can be bolted directly to the frame. And I know some of you that are going to be running this will probably fabricate a completely custom bracket, so we kind of wanted to leave your options open. Another cool feature with the competition series system is it does not have an internal fuel pressure regulator in the base, so it's going to come with our newly designed high flow fuel pressure regulator. Now this will adjust from 0 all the way up to 100 PSI. And the reason we had to develop this rather than just using an internal regulator is because the extremely high flow rate of this 540 gallon per hour system, we wanted to make sure you were able to get the adequate pressure adjustment you're going to need if you want to go down to 10 PSI or like I said, on the 540 gallon per hour system, this one can be adjusted all the way up to 70 PSI. Now our 330 gallon per hour system, that is good for up to 30 PSI, and our 360 gallon per hour system, that's good all the way up to 100 PSI. Now let's take a look at the high flow billet flow through regulator that is in the new adjustable regulator here. Now we can compare it to the regulator that comes in our signature series system, and you can see this regulator is much larger and it has many more holes, and that's just again for the extreme high flow rate and just to make sure you're able to get the adequate pressure adjustment that you need. Now these are going to be available through our dealer support network and of course on fassride.com, and on our website we're going to list the pressures and fuel flow rate on exactly what each system is flowing at each pressure set point. That way you can get the exact system dialed in for exactly what you need. Now another component that was specifically designed for the competition series unit is our filter base. Now it's going to have -10 O-ring inlet, -10 O-ring return port, and -10 O-ring engine feed port, so you can run all of your AN braided lines that most people are going to run on race applications. Now from the return port, you will plumb in your -10 fitting into the FASS and a -10 fitting right into the bottom of our pressure regulator here, and then it will just return right back to the fuel tank. We have a detent, so you'll be able to adjust the fuel pressure to whatever you want it to be set at and just lock it right in place. So it's a super cool feature that we've added to the pressure regulator, and again, just to make sure you're able to get basically infinite pressure adjustment out of this. Now of course, these high-end fuel injection components, we wanted to make sure we're able to provide you with the absolute best fuel filtration. So the system is equipped with our extreme water separator, which will filter down to 2 micron absolute and remove over 99% of the water that might be in your diesel fuel. So there are other mechanical systems on the market that are able to give you the high flow rates, but with the FASS system, it's going to be super easy to prime, so you're not going to need to crank the engine over and get that pump to begin flowing fuel. You'll be able to get the system primed up nice and easily before you start cranking the engine over, and we're going to provide you with air separation. Those very high flow rates can create a lot of agitation in the fuel cell, and that's going to can create an extreme amount of entrained air, and any entrained air that might go into the FASS system, it's going to be getting separated out, returned back to the fuel cell, and the engine's going to be getting supplied with nice pure diesel fuel. Now again, be sure to check them out at fastride.com or to locate a dealer near you.